Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make eggplant pakodas or bhajis. This is a very quick recipe and there's nothing to it. I had one eggplant left over after I made my eggplant salad recipe and I wanted something tasty to eat with my chai. It's eggplant simply dipped in a batter and fried. It's a very popular snack in India, very tasty and perfect with a cup of chai. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. I've sliced my one big eggplant into about 1/2 inch thick slices. For the batter, I'm using gram flour or besan and rice flour. A few pinches of ground turmeric, little bit of ground chili powder, salt. Give this a mix and add water to make a thick batter. Add water a little bit at a time, don't add it all at once. Now it's smooth and very thick. We can add more water to thin it out. And our batter is ready. You saw how fast that was. Batter should be on the thicker side so it sticks to the eggplant and doesn't just drip off when you put it in the oil. Heat up a pan and pour in oil to fry the eggplant. Have a paper towel lined plate ready to drain the eggplant. When you dip the eggplant in the batter, it should stick to the eggplant a little. You could just shake off the excess and you see that the batter sticks to the eggplant nicely. Dip them and put them in the hot oil right away. Test the oil by putting a little bit of the batter in. It'll float up quickly and it won't brown too fast. That means the oil is done. If the batter burns, turn down the heat. Put the dipped eggplant rounds in. And fry until golden brown on both sides. They cook very quickly, just about 3-4 minutes. Drain them on paper towels. Serve the eggplant with your favorite chutney. The eggplant is nicely cooked, soft, and it's not greasy. This is tamarind chutney. You could buy it at any Indian store. It comes in bottles. Some people like mint chutney or green chili chutney. Even yogurt with a little lemon juice, chopped cilantro, chopped onion is a great dip with this. I hope you try and like this quick recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.